Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna make my favorite dish for breakfast named sandwich, salmon sandwich with mayonnaise. So this is my favorite breakfast. So here we have salmon, mayonnaise, pepper, salt, sandwich, and oil. I usually cook instant noodle for my breakfast, but it has no nutrition, so I prefer this dish. First, we put it in the bowl and add some pepper and salt to seasoning. We don't need any coffee spoon, just season it randomly and mix it for 10 minutes. But I don't have that much time, so just mix it until you feel it's okay. We turn on the pan, turn on the heat, and wait until the pan hot, and put a little bit of oil in it. When we wait for the pan to getting hotter enough, we're gonna prepare the sandwich. I don't like this side because it's break my taste, so I'm gonna tear this away. When you wait the pan to getting hotter, we keep mixing the salmon. Actually, I prefer to eat this thing raw with soy sauce and wasabi, but this dish is perfect to eat it cooked when the salmon cooked perfectly. Here, when the chopstick is burned because of the oil get hot, we put the salmon inside. Maybe wait for a moment. Same as shrimp, the salmon is easy to cook well. It turned the different color when I put it in the oil. That means it's almost cooked. It's almost done to the light color. It means it's already done. Now put it aside to mix it with mayonnaise sauce. Now pour the mayonnaise as much as you want it. If you like to eat it sweet, you can add a lot of mayonnaise, but I don't. I just did a little bit of it. Now you mix it with the mayonnaise like this until it's mixed perfectly. After that, you use the back of the spoon. Not really. You just add it in the sandwich like this. That's how we make the salmon sandwich with mayonnaise sauce. Thank you for listening.